Are you standing? Big Tiffany is standing. Look at the feet. Wow, you're a big girl. Say yay. Okay, do you know how to get down? Do you know how to get down if you have to get down? Let go and sit down. Don't cry about it. It's good. Yay! Okay, are you ready to go for the walk? Let's go.